Hi there. Welcome to Microsoft Advertising. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Bid Landscape tool to see how bid adjustments change your opportunity to win more clicks in the auction. First, go to an audience network campaign and select an ad group. From there, click the column chart with arrow icon to open the Bid Landscape tool. The tool shows how your bid impacts your ad group's performance. It will show weekly estimates for cost, which is how much you'll spend, clicks, and impressions. Bid Landscape will also show different bids and their performance impact. You can put a custom bid in the Other bid field to see its impact on your campaign's performance. To select a new bid, simply click the Save button. It will apply the new bid to your ad group. To see how your budget limits your campaign's performance, you can use the Delivery Indicator. It shows the number of clicks available based on your current budget and optimal budget.